Hi everyone, it's Sarah. Thanks for giving me a little bit of extra time to put together my final email for everyone in class. But I wanted to just send a personal message to say first, thank you to Chef AJ and to Charles for collaborating with me and Justin on this program. I've actually had the most amazing month, and I feel really inspired by what I learned from you, Chef AJ. So thank you so much. And then to everybody who was in the class, I just want to let you know all of the emails that you sent me, all of the feedback you've given me so far, all of your thoughts, I'm so grateful for them. And I've had just a lovely time connecting with all of you. I hope that we will keep that spreadsheet of contact information going. I'm going to go in there this week and make sure that I check out everybody's social media and connect. I'll also add my information in there so you can find my more personal accounts and connect with me as well. But thank you all for the tremendous effort that you put into the class over the last month. And I really hope that you'll keep in touch, and I look forward to seeing what you're able to accomplish in the future. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful summer.